Why don't you guys go in?
Mia, do you love your room?
I love my room.
Oh, honey, just touch everything.
I'm gonna just sleep on the floor, I think.
Just wait, touch everything.
Feel this.
Oh my God!
Wow.
Oh my God. Oh my God, this is incredible.
In 2014, the DiFilippo's loving household was turned upside down when they received some life-altering news.
I was laying on the couch, I was trying to take a nap, and my mom put the phone on. She thought it was just like a telemarketer or something, and I remember the doctor's voice saying that she thought I had the leukemia.
Gabby has bravely endured more than 2.5 years of daily treatments and has made significant progress on her road to recovery. For all of her life, Gabby has shared a small, cramped bedroom with her older brother. And although home improvement projects have been discussed for years, extended hospital stays have put those projects on hold.
Without further ado, shall we?
Yes, let's
Follow
do
me.
Whoa.
Oh, wow.
Wow. Oh, Gabby. And the secret garden.
Oh, it's beautiful.
Oh, look at my desk.
Oh, Gabby. When we first walked into Gabby's room, it is Gabby. That room is Gabby. From the quotes to the wallpaper.
The flowers remind me of Secret Garden. The green reminds me of Anne of Green Gables. It's so cool to have all that.
We know you love to read. We wanted to give you a place to read and sit.
You have a lamppost.
You do have a lamppost.
You have a lamppost. 3 months after Audrey was born, she was diagnosed with microcephaly, which is a rare neurological disorder. It's often related to the Zika virus. Audrey has this unbreakable spirit and support system, and she has defied all the odds. Where are we right now? Whose house is? Oh, man. Oh, you make it all worth it. Hey, we got some special things for you. Oh, yeah.
Oh, you get a hug.
Come on, bring her. Come, bring mom.
Bring.
Oh, wow.
Oh my goodness. You want to go in? You love it? Because she's been in a crib and we were so afraid to take her out and switch her to a bed.
It's a sleep-safe bed, so the whole idea behind it is to help people with disabilities and make sure that they're safe and comfortable in their beds.
And she can see us out so she won't be scared. I
Yeah,
love it.
yeah.
I love it.
Our daughter Mia has cerebral palsy. She was officially diagnosed at 1 year old.
Sadly, because Mia has cerebral palsy, she is not able to walk, which makes it a daily challenge for her and her parents getting in and around her house. So what do you say? You guys want to go in?
Absolutely. Cannot wait to see it.
Oh my gosh.
Let's do it.
All right, darling, you ready? Oh my God, Mia. Look at this. Oh my God, Mia, this is for you. You want to sleep in it?
This is, oh my God, Bobby. I can't believe how beautiful this is. She has her own bed. This is so beautiful. I cannot believe how gorgeous this is.
When I went up the stairs, the first thing I noticed was that the door was moved. And I don't know why that hit me. That hit me like a ton of bricks. And then when we opened her room, you created a space that I never could have created.
Mia, do you love your room?
I love my room.
So great to see her excited and happy about something.
But when she gets excited, she kicks those limbs, the legs and the arms.
She's jumping out of your arms.
I never think I'm going to be shocked. And it's just unbelievable, guys. Thank you so much.
Sharing a room with your sibling is never easy, no matter what age. But when you're dealing with teenage triplet girls, it's a whole other story. So we're here to help Jeff and Alex Forker give their daughters the room they need to grow. Hey, how's it going, everybody?
Hey!
How are you girls?
Good.
You excited?
Yeah.
You had some space constraints, right? The room was a little small, you guys were growing out of it. I think we have solved the problem. But you know what? Not until you guys see it will we know if we did a good job. So you guys ready to check out everything that's been happening?
Oh, yeah.
You guys ready?
Oh, yeah.
All right, follow me.
There we go.
Oh my God!
Wow.
Oh my God, this is incredible. It's beautiful.
The girls had a very big wish list, you know. They wanted their own space. They wanted enough room to put their clothes, enough, you know, their own desk, their own place to do their hair. I'm like, girls, we don't live in a mansion. It's not possible. And to see it actually here is incredible. It's incredible. Didn't think it was possible, and obviously it is.
Kailyn was born at 27 weeks, premature. She was the beaming joy in our family because she was the first girl to be born. And then at like 15 months old, we were following up with the doctor doing what we were supposed to do. And one day they recommended PT for her. And the physical therapist that they sent to the house said to me, "This little girl has CP." And I went, "Wait, what?" They had hoped for her that she would walk someday and that it wasn't a very severe case of CP. And then as the years turned on, we were very blessed and very fortunate because Kailyn was cognitively normal. She was learning, she was speaking, but she couldn't walk. Just her legs, her arms, her motor function wasn't working. And we took her to every specialist, but she's never gonna walk.
As a result of the cerebral palsy, Kailyn has significant mobility issues and can't use the bathroom or the stairs on her own.
Oh my
Holy moly!
Oh my God.
Oh my God, Kailyn.
Whoa!
Look at the walls. Look at this beautiful bed, Kailyn. Look at the TV set. Everything in here, Kailyn, is now literally operated touch of a button.
What?
Whether you want to change your lights.
Turn the lights purple. Guys, look! Guys, look! I think my reaction, I was like jumping and shaking all over the place.
Yeah.
Holy cow. Like, this is my house.
We got this closet right here, which actually comes down to you.
What?
And her
It's
bed.
freedom for her, right? She's never been free to be a teenager in a room. She can come right in the door. She can go to her desk herself.
Go
She
to
can
the
turn her
bathroom.
lights on by herself.
She's gonna be just like every other 17-year-old little girl now.
Let's see this
We are right now in Mamaroneck, New York, home of John and Amy and Chase Stellwagen. We're here to surprise them because they epitomize what George Rescue is all about. They have come to the rescue of their nieces, Gabby, Reagan, and Riley, who were orphaned when their mother passed away just a few months ago. John and Amy are rescuing these little girls, but they need help. They have a two-family home, and they live on the first floor. The whole second floor is a whole separate apartment. Why don't you guys go in?
Coming in and to see the girls' reaction and to hear the reaction to each individual aspect of their room and George and Andrew, it's insane what they did. I could never imagine merging unicorns on a beach together.
They nailed it.
Look at my wall!
My favorite part has to be like seeing the girls happy. The expression on each and every one of their faces.
Could not have been more perfect for all of
it's
them.
unbelievable.
It makes me feel like I'm actually in Paris and that that's my room now. Look at my bedroom!
What do you think?
Look at my unicorn! I love it! It feels like home.
Hi, my name is Anastasia Pagonis. Some people call me Toss, and I'm 15.
Our daughter Toss is an incredible swimmer, and she's a Paralympian medalist.
Between the ages of 5 and 15, she has endured progressive vision loss, which recently has left her almost completely blind. We want to surprise Toss with a life-changing rescue that will give her the independence and comfort she deserves. A hazardous bathroom and light sensitivity issues around the house create daily anxiety and obstacles. All right, are you guys ready?
We're ready.
We're ready.
Are you set? Welcome home. So for going upstairs, the first thing I want you to feel is this painting right here.
It's Braille.
It's Braille.
But big.
Oh my gosh, Tasia. This is like the rich and famous it looks like in here, Toss.
The floor
Just touch everything.
I'm gonna just sleep on the floor, I think.
Just wait, touch everything.
Feel this. I don't need to see anything that you've done. Like, yeah, it's all these beautiful colors you guys were telling me, but like, I can feel literally every single thing in that room. It's just like the little things that really make such a big difference.
Thank you so much for watching that video. Please give it a thumbs up if you liked it and subscribe to our channel so you never miss a video.